The XFE polishers from FLEX Power Tools are free-spinning, long-stroke polishers available in both corded and cordless versions. The huge 15mm long orbit stroke of the XFE polishers excels as the perfect polisher for the final polishing step for show car results on any type or color of paint, especially softer, finicky paints as well as black and dark colors. The corded XFE is perfect for high-volume shops where swirl-free results are just as important as speed. The cordless XFE gives you the freedom to work around any car, polishing the paint to perfection without having to deal with the power cord and 40 minutes of runtime before you need to swap to another battery. Professional detailers know free-spinning 15mm long-stroke polishers finish out more perfectly and consistently over the widest spectrum of paint types than any other type of polisher. Visit Autogeek.com for more information.